Hi guys, my name is Hivan. Today I'm gonna talk about two terminology: open open cycle versus combine cycle. In a power plant. Okay, first, open cycle. What we have in open cycle, we must have the equipment is jet engine, steam, a turbine, gas turbine. The gas turbine connect the same shaft with the generator. Okay, so how the open cycle work? At the gas turbine, bring air from atmosphere to burn fuel as natural gas or a distillation oil. Burn in combustion chamber. At the combustion chamber burn, we have the heat energy to expand in turbine, called the turbine shaft speed. The turbine shaft speed called the generator speed to make electricity. After spin the shaft to make work, the heat exhausts to the smokestack to atmosphere with very high temp, normally about 1100 degrees Fahrenheit. So the problem is here the open cycle wastes too much energy. So we can say that open cycle or no heat recovery. Opposite with open cycle, we have a combined cycle. The combined cycle combine from open cycle to make electricity and we need a water tube boiler. Before I said the open cycle wastes too much heat to atmosphere. So they bring those heat from the smokestack, put that in the water tube boiler. And the water tube boiler make steam. And the steam bring to the steam turbine and expand in the steam turbine called the steam turbine shaft spin. And the steam turbine shaft connect to the other generator, make other electricity. So the combined cycle, we can say heat recovery steam generator. Or HRHG. That's all. Thank you for your watching.